Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and the fastest workable option. If you have only a 120V outlet, plug in the level 1 cable now. It will charge overnight. Once done, inspect the i4 charging port and cable for debris or damage. Make sure the connector clicks in. If your home has a 240V circuit, locate the dedicated outlet and shut off the breaker while you prepare the EVs. This is the first actionable step towards steady, safe charging. Now focus on the EVs. If you are installing a hardwired or plug-in level 2 unit, follow local code and torque the lugs to spec. Once powered, walk through the EV setup. Connect the unit to Wi-Fi or app, set your maximum current to match the circuit, and schedule charging during off-peak hours if desired. Then plug the cable into the i4, confirm the dashboard shows charging, and watch the state of charge indicator climb steadily. To finish, verify the session. Confirm the EV's LED and the i4 instrument cluster both indicate charging. Open the BMW app to confirm start time and rate. Once charging completes, unlock and disconnect the cable, stow it neatly, and restore any safety covers. If something goes wrong, first check the 240V breaker and EV's error codes. Often a tripped breaker or locked connector is the culprit. If that doesn't fix it, contact your installer or BMW.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.